What's up, guys? So listen. You're starting a carpet cleaning business, right? Maybe you've been, running for a little while, but you realize you need that phone to ring a little bit more so you can keep doing this and build and scale or do whatever you want to do, right? So maybe you got the phone ringing, but it's not ringing as much as you need it to ring in order to make a living, or maybe, quit your full-time job that you're doing right now and go 100% into carpet cleaning business. Or you're running one van and you got a helper and you need that phone to ring more. Well, we got your solution. As you know, Green Rhino Academy, that's my school. I do a lot of teaching here on this YouTube channel, also Green Rhino Project. So it's pretty much a ride-along and a lot of just educational stuff on this channel to teach you how to build your business right, not to fail like many people do. All right, so we don't want you to fail. Once you get started, we want you to succeed. So that first step is huge, right? Taking that first step. Now what we're doing is just guiding you along, right? Leading you down the right track so you don't take the wrong turn and end up lost. Failing, in other words. Okay, so what I do is I really pride myself on networking with different businesses. Is with Matt from Carpet Cleaner Ads. What he does is he builds your ads for you, your Google ads, your Facebook ads. And not only does he do that, he actually gives you a free website to go with it. So he's going to build you a highly converting website. So when he does run your ads, they're not going to get on your website, just get turned off from it and bounce, right? So this website is going to be meant to retain that lead. Okay, so we can get the leads, but you got to retain them and then convert them. So that's what Matt does. Okay, so Matt works with different carpet cleaning companies to help them either expand, add more vans, or for the guys that are just starting out, all right, which is a big part of my audience here on YouTube. So if you're struggling to get that phone to ring, well, this is your solution. And understand this, he's not only going to be running your ads, he's also going to be doing some other things that nobody else does. Okay, he's got tricks and strategies to have you show up on that first page right at the top right away, even if you just started. So what I want to do right now is just go off over the website here real quick and just hear him talk a little bit about it. Scroll down here. Let's hear what he has to say.
I'm going to go over exactly how the Carpet Cleaner Ads system helps you generate consistent leads for your carpet cleaning business. I'm going to start with how my lead magnet websites are designed to convert well with Google Ads, and I'm going to go over my content engine marketing strategy with a real client, J-Rex Cleaning Solutions in Greensboro, North Carolina. So let's get started. Let's start with how my lead magnet websites instantly make potential customers know, like, and trust your business. Your brand and phone number are easily readable at the top of the page. We also include a lead collection chatbot on the lower right. These websites look great on mobile devices. They load fast and make it easy for customers to get in touch with tap to call now buttons and our proprietary fast quote form, which prompts customers to fill out the form so they can get a fast and accurate quote and claim their offer. This fast quote form boosts conversion rates from Google Ads, truly making your website a lead generating asset that you can trust your advertising dollars.
There are strategies and stuff to where when you build these websites to help retain your customers. A lot of people run ads and they say, I got so many clicks, but nobody called. Why is that? Because your landing page isn't working for you, all right? So you hire a professional, and when you hire a professional like this guy, he builds it for free.
We use real pictures of your technicians with no stock photos. Content and images are SEO optimized, but not wordy or confusing. We include offers to hook your potential customers. And we integrate with live reviews from Google, Facebook, Angie's List, Yelp, and more. We showcase your work with a professional gallery, and we always include a guarantee from the owner. We also embed your Google Business profile map and showcase your service areas, making it clear who you serve. If you use a CRM like Housecall Pro, we'll include a link to your online booking portal. Your website includes a homepage, a page for every service you offer, contact us page, and a recent projects page, and many more technical optimizations. After I build your lead magnet website, you'll own everything. Then we use strategic Google and Facebook ads to keep your website at the top of search results and generate leads.
Okay, I want to pause it right there. As you heard him say, you'll own everything. So a lot of companies, they'll build your website on their platform, and once you cancel their service, you lost the website. Something happens to them, right? They go out of business, you lost your website. Now, you don't want to be in that situation. You're not in that situation with him, okay? He closes shop, you still have your website. You cancel his service, you still have your website. You just got a professional website made for you, right, for free. And websites, I don't know if you've ever looked into it to have a professional do it for you, but you're talking between $1,000 and $10,000, I mean, depending on your website. Okay, so that's a huge benefit of using this company to run your ads. If not only gets your website built, all right? So he has, like I said earlier, let's listen to this.
Let's see how content engine marketing works. Every week, you send me pictures from a real job, and I use them to create a recent project on your website. Let's take a look at this one. All of the content is SEO optimized, the images are optimized and geotagged, and let's see how this content engine marketing performs in local search results. Let's check local search results. We're going to look in Woodmere Park, North Carolina, which is one of JREX Clean Solutions service areas, and we're going to simulate someone searching for the term carpet cleaners near Woodmere Park. So let's see what the page 1 results are. Here we are in Woodmere Park, Greensboro. And we have JREX Cleaning Solutions showing up right at the top. In the AI overview, we have the blog article posted right at the top of the page. And once again, we see the blog article right on the first page of search results. So this is how the Carpet Cleaner Ads system helps you dominate your local market and generate consistent leads for your carpet cleaning business. But don't take it from me. Listen to this testimonial from Jem Raves, the owner of JREX Cleaning Solutions in Greensboro, North Carolina.
All right, guys, listen. You're getting a free website. He's going to run the ads. He's going to build the ads for you. By the way, he didn't even talk about he runs Facebook ads too. So your Google ads, your Facebook ads. These are going to be campaigns that are built for carpet cleaners. He knows because he's had a carpet cleaning business, right? So he knows the industry. On top of that, he's going to use his strategies to get you on page 1 right at the top. That's literally unheard of, right? That's like cheating the SEO. Because if you build a website, it's going to end up, brand new websites are going to end up, I don't know, page 10, depending on where you live, page 10. And you're going to have to slowly work your way up. But if you can do strategies like this right from the get-go, and you can show up on page 1, that's going to be huge to get some lead generation going. And then once they do click on that ad and they get to your website and it's a website that converts, well, there you go, guys. I mean, there's way too many people out there that want to do it yourself and wasting way too much money until they finally end up hiring somebody to do it for them, and they think, "Why I didn't do that? Why didn't I do that at the beginning?" Okay, what the thing with Google is Google changes. Google Ads change. The way the whole platform gets more complex. You might have it down, but then it switches up again. So from when I started running Google Ads to build my business, and that's exactly how I built my business, it's much more complex now. So this resource is huge. So let's go down to actual company he's talking about.
I would probably have to say that one of the things that truly helped me out with working with Matt was increasing sales. Increasing sales just literally almost double. I was averaging like 35 to 4,000 a month, and once I started working with Matt and advertising on Google, it literally shot up. The first month I shot up to like 7,000. After that, I've been having solid $8,500, $9,500 months. And on this, I've been only using them in a few months. That's the crazy part.
So, I mean, think about the numbers. I'm not sure what situation you're in right now, but if you can double your whatever you're doing within a month, that's huge. And that's why he's on the Green Rhino team. Let's see what this guy has to say.
I've had the liberty of working with Matt from Olive Digital for a while now. If you're looking for a marketing company to run your Google ads, he's definitely the one for you. He's been doing a really good job for us. I've had other marketing companies I've used in the past, and none of them have been able to come close to what he's been doing for us. So that definitely says something, because I've used many companies in the past. And, like I said, all I can say is good things about him. If you're in the market to look for a new marketing company, definitely check them out. Thank you.
So what you can do is I'll put a link below the video to this actual website page, and you can listen to the rest of the testimonials, read a little bit more, and go ahead and book a consultation. All right, it's free. So tell him where you're at, and he'll tell you if he can help you. Okay, so a lot of people are going to be like, well, I already have a website. Listen, I have 3 websites, okay? And in carpet cleaning or in any business, really, you'll have your website, and then you'll have a special landing page for running your ads, okay? If your website is good enough, then they'd use like the home page or your carpet cleaning page to run your ads, right? But it needs a landing page. But guys, you're getting a free website. So why wouldn't you want another website? So another website, and one that actually is been proven to work, is not a dumb move. Not a dumb move at all. Okay. If you're in business and you're planning on expanding and you just can't get to the next step, well, hiring a guy to handle your ads is the only way you're going to do it. If you're going to do it yourself, trust me, most of the time you're just going to waste a lot of money. All right? Because building an ad takes more than just building an ad. It takes nurturing. And the longer that ad runs, the better it performs. That's why they say it takes, 2, 3, 4 months before you get the optimal performance out of those ads. Now, there is a cheat sheet. You know why there's a cheat sheet? Cheat sheet? Is when you hire a guy that's actually in the industry and he's built multiple campaigns for different carpet cleaning. He knows exactly what to do right from the get-go. Okay? So you are shortening that learning curve. I always say that with Green Rhino Academy. All right, my Green Rhino Academy teaches you how to build your carpet cleaning business. And when you have a learning curve like this, it makes you a learning curve like this. All right, so it saves you a lot of time, a lot of money. A service like this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. All right, so go ahead. There's a link down below. Go ahead and give him a call. See if you're a good fit or he's a good fit for you. And let's grow your business. All right, let's get it going.